Compass.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Compass. My name is Siddharth Verma, and today in this video we will going to discuss about the service related to land verification and acquisition in India. So let's begin with the topic. There are numerous laws apart from the local laws enacted by the central government of India which govern verification, ownership and acquisition of property. This acquisition of land shall be considered the first step for the real estate projects. In case of processing of examining the title and acquiring, the land is not given due consideration. However, many disputes arise due to the conflict on the entitlement of land. In India, many infrastructure projects are delayed due to several factors. Nonetheless, the most common factor is a land dispute during the commencement of any real estate project. Whenever any land is purchased, the due diligence shall have to be performed to determine the land ownership and title of the said land. Now, let's discuss about the land title verification process in India and why a land survey is required for a business. So the first is the title verification on land is performed to decide whether the title is marketable and good by finding and scrutinizing the history of ownership of land up to the last 30 years. The rules and the regulations mentioned below specify the consideration same must be made during the verification of title on the land. When conducting title verification on land, following steps need to be taken. The area and the property owner are determined using the land survey. Several states digitize the land records. In case no records regarding land are found, a request can be made by applying to the sub-registrar's office. And when we talk about the commencement of development work on land, there are some activities associated with the land which should be done before commencing the construction on land. There are pre-construction activities including land title, verification and survey demarcation, contouring and fencing. So now let's talk about the types of land surveys in India. The following surveys are Alta survey, boundary survey, location survey, subdivision survey, site planning survey, construction survey, topographic survey, land demarcation. Now we'll discuss about the land demarcation and land contouring and land fencing. Let's start first with the land demarcation. The land demarcation is an operation that separates the land and establishes the boundaries between the properties. Demarcation of land can be done out of the court, or it can be obligatory for the courts in case of owner disputes. The property owner who is registered bears the title on the property. The title on the property is based on the plan which shall be prepared by the Department of Lands and Survey on scale, providing the opportunity to examine the boundaries of the properties through the demarcation of the whole land or part of per metric line. The second is land contouring, the determination of elevation of various sites on the terrain and positioning these points of the same horizontal position inside the contour map is known as contouring in mensuration. A contour could be a bird eye perspective over a large area of land. The main goal of contour survey is to find any apparent differences in elevation on the current terrain. A contour map in land mensuration containing contour lines such as the geographic map, display valleys and hill and the gradient or slope. A contour map is extremely useful since it provides essential information about terrains. Any engineering project such as a road, railway, a canal, a dam or a structure begins with a contour survey. Third is the land fencing. Land fencing means boundary. The fencing of land prevents the intrusion of land by other people or other agencies. In addition, cemented walls are built around the area, along with a notice board that reads the property belongs to owner of property business name. Now let's understand who can apply for setting up a factory. So any manufacturing unit, production unit and industry involved in the hazardous activities can obtain the authorization. So what are the documents required for land verification and acquisition services? The following documents are KYC document of the purchaser of land and the person who is taking on rent, land paper chain of documents, map of the land, topo map, ownership, land share, incumbency certificate of the land, pending land disputes and occupancy rights. Details of transactions involving the property include the price of land paid by the current owner, Form 6G of the village. Legitimate descendants of the property owners who passed away. Village Form 6C. The total number of landowners in a particular area. Form 8A. Details about the property's title adjustment. Form 6 of mutation. Agriculture or non-agriculture property ascertainments documents. Easement rights. So now let's go through the process from the title verification of a land till fencing. Before the site visit, the client should share the actual land dimension and other relevant information. Deployment of licensed officer to coordinate with the authorities like NHAI, Tourism Department if the land belongs to tourism, Patwaris and revenue inspectors, Tehsildars. Compare the size of the land proposed on the map to the real size of the property. To finalize the area obtained from the entire piece of land for construction, share the pictures and photographs with the client. Examine crucial indicators such as land encroachment and other potential hazards. Arrange for a second Patwari visit to inspect the field and obtain khasra number information and revenue inspector Tehsildars if necessary. In the event of encroachment, attempt to gather source papers for the party claiming land ownership and submit them to the client. If the other party refuses to release the documents, the customer takes additional action. Arrange for a second surveyor to visit for land contouring and data gathering and submit the same information to the customer. Arrange for a contractor to come out and measure the land and install fencing, commercial for building work especially. Arrange a contractor to come to the location to install signboards. So I hope this information related to land verification and acquisition in India helps you to enhance your knowledge and helps in your dream project. Connect with Corpus for full assistance. Thank you.